how to fix HBL app login problem. In order to fix the HBL app login problem, maybe if you're not being able to log in for any of the reason, the first thing is to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. Make sure that you're not using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, because that could cause conflict with the network and hence you'll not be able to log in. Another thing that you can do is you can try to check your login information. So once you're here on the login page, make sure that your login ID and password is correct. If you forgot either of those, you can tap on forgot ID or forgot password and try to reset your password as well. If you're using the HBL mobile app on Android, you can just long press the HBL mobile app, tap on this three dots icon and go to this app info, which is the information icon. This setting will be found on any Android device, and from here just go to storage, clear the cache files and clear the data. Once you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, search for the HBL mobile app, check if it has an update available, and if it does, then make sure to update it to the latest version. And this way you'll be able to fix HBL app login issue. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.